The human sense of smell is deeply linked to emotions and memory, playing a powerful role in stress relief. Scientific studies have shown that inhaling the scent of a loved one's clothing can activate the brain's limbic system, the area responsible for emotional processing. This triggers the release of oxytocin, often called the love hormone, which promotes feelings of calm and connection. Cortisol, the stress hormone, has been observed to decrease in individuals exposed to familiar scents, suggesting a direct physiological benefit. Researchers have found that olfactory cues bypass rational thought, creating an immediate sense of comfort and safety. Familiar scents, like those from a partner's worn clothing, act as emotional anchors, reducing anxiety by simulating their presence. This phenomenon is rooted in evolutionary biology, where scent recognition helped strengthen social bonds and ensure survival. Recent experiments highlight how participants exposed to a loved one's scent reported lower stress levels compared to control groups. This practice is especially effective in situations where physical closeness isn't possible, offering a tangible way to feel connected. Experts emphasize that this method isn't a standalone solution, but works best alongside other stress management strategies. While the science is promising, individual responses may vary based on personal associations with specific scents. For optimal results, unwashed clothing is recommended to preserve natural body odors, which carry the most significant emotional resonance. Always ensure both parties are comfortable with this practice to maintain mutual respect and boundaries. The connection between scent and memory plays a significant role in how familiar smells can evoke deep feelings of comfort and security. The olfactory system is directly linked to the brain's limbic system, which processes emotions and memories, making scent a powerful trigger. When someone inhales the familiar aroma of their partner's clothing, it can instantly transport them back to moments of closeness and affection, creating a sense of emotional warmth. Research suggests that this effect is so strong it can mimic the psychological benefits of physical presence, helping to alleviate feelings of loneliness or anxiety. For instance, a study found that participants who smelled their partner's scent reported feeling calmer and more secure, even when they were physically apart. This phenomenon is particularly meaningful for individuals in long-distance relationships, offering a simple yet effective way to bridge emotional gaps. The placebo effect also plays a role in the emotional benefits of scent-based stress relief. Even if the scent itself doesn't chemically alter the body's stress response, the act of engaging with it can create a powerful psychological reassurance. Many people report feeling soothed by the mere belief that their partner's scent can help them relax, illustrating how perception and expectation influence well-being. Personal anecdotes abound, like a college student carrying a scarf that smells like their partner during exams or a traveler using a loved one's shirt to ease homesickness. These stories highlight the practical, everyday ways scent can serve as an emotional anchor. However, it's important to balance this practice with other coping mechanisms to avoid over-reliance, ensuring a holistic approach to stress management. To maximize the stress-relieving benefits of scent, experts recommend using unwashed clothing that carries a partner's natural aroma. Freshly worn items, such as a t-shirt or sweater, tend to retain stronger olfactory cues, which can more effectively trigger the release of oxytocin, the hormone linked to bonding and relaxation. The scent acts as a comforting reminder of the partner's presence, helping to alleviate feelings of anxiety or loneliness. However, hygiene is an important consideration. While unwashed clothing may be more potent, it's essential to ensure cleanliness to avoid skin irritation or bacterial buildup. Rotating items and washing them periodically can strike a balance between effectiveness and practicality. Frequency of use is another key factor. While this method can be a helpful tool for stress management, relying on it too heavily may lead to emotional dependency. Experts suggest integrating it with other relaxation techniques, such as deep breathing exercises, meditation, or mindfulness practices, to create a more holistic approach to stress relief. Additionally, it's crucial to maintain respect for personal boundaries, both for oneself and one's partner. Open communication about comfort levels ensures the practice remains a positive and consensual experience, fostering emotional well-being without overstepping personal or relational limits.